So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thanks for all you guys who subscribe and stick with me up till now. And I have a video for you guys. I'm going to show you how to pack a carry-on. So let's get on with this video. Now this carry-on, it cannot hold a lot. It might look big, but it's not big. It cannot hold a lot. I have a lot of things here. I think it's about at least 65 items that I'm gonna pack in here, including underwear, shoes, books. You'll understand why I said books, shirts, pants, all those type of things. You'll see what I have to pack in here. I'm just gonna show you inside how small this thing is. I'm not sure if you're gonna like, cause inside maybe look big to you, but it's not. Okay, this is the inside of it. It's not big. It's like about from my head to right here. So it's not that big. So I'm gonna show you how to pack everything in here. Now when you're packing in your carry-on, if you wanna have a lot of stuff, this can hold up to 100 pieces of clothes. So if you want that, you have to pack the KonMari way, which is you have to pack horizontally. I'm going to show you an example. You have to pack horizontally like this. Now as you can see, these clothes are, I pack them as thin as possible, so they're going to go horizontally in the suitcase. They're going to go like this in the suitcase, so you have more clothes and it's easier. Say if you're going out for dinner, you can just pull out a shirt without having to look through all of the suitcase for everything. You just pull out a shirt and you're done. You're gone. Pull out the pants and you're done. So I'm going to show you how to do this if you do not know how to pack like this. So let's go. Okay, so you just want to make sure everything is straightened out. Then you're going to fold it in half. Then you make sure everything's straightened out again. Then you fold it halfway up. Then you fold the sleeves in. Then you just want to fold it as small as possible all the way up until you have the KonMari way. Now I just showed you how to fold the KonMari way. Now this way is very easy. You can fold all your clothes that way, and for the pants it's the same way but just without the sleeves. You just fold it in half, then you fold it all the way up. Now I'm going to show you how to pack these things in, but first I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to pack into this suitcase, and you're going to be surprised how everything is going to hold into this suitcase. Okay, so right now I have 2 shoes right here. Then I have a stack of shirts, fold the KonMari way. I have a stack of pants, fold the KonMari way, and it goes on and on. Then this is just to make the suitcase smell good, and I'm gonna come on to that next. This is another stack of clothes. That's underwear, a hat, a rag, all these type of things. Now here's why I have these books. These books are very sentimental to me, and I'm gonna give one to my grandma because my mom wrote in it, both of them. And I have alcohol pads. If I don't get the wipes in time, I could use this to wipe off the wherever I'm gonna be. And this is my glasses case, my lip balm, very important, no cracked lips, baby, honey boo boo. Then I have an extra lace with me. Now on to the tech things. I have my tablet, I have my camera charger, I have my camera, and this, you may be wondering why I have a screw, but this screw is for my camera so I can vlog with it. I have all my cables here, my chargers, everything I need, and that's it. So I'm going to show you how to pack in. Now you want to start sprinkling your Downy Unstoppable in the suitcase. Then you want to start packing your underwear at the bottom, at the side. Then you put your shoes in. Then you start packing the clothes in. Then you want to fit everything in there as tightly as possible so you have more space. Pat those down. Then you have another shoes in there. Then you pack the rest of your clothes into the corner, and you can sprinkle a little more Downy Unstoppable on the top. Put the bath soap there, and then you just close it up. Now I pack my books in the front, everything there, and my camera cables, everything up there. Okay guys, as you can see, I managed to pack every single thing I just showed you in here, and it actually works. The KonMari way is very effective, and I want to try to open this to show you this, like how everything is packed. Maybe if you didn't get a good look, I'm going to show you how everything looks in here. Okay, open gently. So there you go. That's everything in there. I packed literally everything I needed, and the books are in here. Everything is in here. So if you want me to do one more of these videos where I pack more things, because this can hold more. This can hold a lot more things. See, it's not even that puffy. Not even that puffy. So I think this is it for this video, and if you're traveling, just make sure you have everything. And you might be wondering why I didn't pack any deodorant or any cologne, because I don't want to go through anything with TCA and everything, so I'm just waiting till I get there, then I buy those stuff. Now if you're traveling, make sure you have fun and watch out for those signs, watch out for whatever you're supposed to watch out for, and don't pack anything in here that you know you should not pack, because that's not nice and you'll get in trouble for it. So just pack right and do everything you can. And I think this is the end of this video, so thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share and subscribe, and you can check out all my social media. I leave them in the description box below with the link, so you can just click and go follow me on both of my Instagram page, the main one and the backup one, and you can follow me on Twitter, add me on Facebook, and add me on Google+. So see you guys next time when I'm in the sky. Bye.
Do you remember how it feels to be young?